Welcome back to TechKidFX for another Apecoin price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments that have been happening here on the Apecoin chart, which at the time of this recording has continued to obey the Elliot structures. We have also continued to hold above the 20-day MA, and I believe that whatever we are seeing in formation right here is a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 5. And the next key area of resistance that I'm watching here on the Apecoin chart is the area at around the $6 mark. And before I get further into the technical analysis, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to continue with the video here on the 4-hour chart by first giving you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out, where you can see that after making our low in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 4 at around the $4.75 mark, we have started this massive bounce to the upside, obeying the Elliot wave structures in what I'm terming as the formation of these wave 5. And because a wave 5 to the upside is an impulsive wave, we also expect to see a 5-wave structure in formation within the formation of that wave 5. And I believe that is the move that is playing out over here, where we have seen the high of that wave 1 at around the $5.8 mark, and that is after seeing a breakout out of a chart pattern that we had in formation over here, which is a double bottom, whose target areas at around the $5.9 mark we have fully maximized. And after making the high for that first wave to the upside, we started this corrective structure to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, and using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, that gave me a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of that wave 2 between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $5.3056 mark and the $5.1754 mark. And after fully maximizing our yellow target area in the formation of this wave 2, whatever we expect here on the short-term scenarios is a massive bounce to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and this is what I'm expecting to play out next here on the Apecoin chart, and sketching out minimum target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $6.9293 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that larger Elliot wave count 3 to the upside to do. And for us to fully maximize our target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, I'm expecting to see a break above our next key area of resistance at around the $6 mark. So the next key area of resistance that I'm watching over here is the $6 mark, and once we break above that key area of resistance, then I'll be expecting to see a retest, and once the retest is in and a success, then we can continue pushing even higher to fully maximize our target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 at around the $6.9 mark. And once the high for that wave 3 is in, then we can expect a wave 4 and then push even higher in the formation of this wave 5 to fully maximize our target areas to the upside in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 5, and sketching out minimum target areas to the upside in the formation of that larger Elliot wave count 5 by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that wave 3. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 5 at the fib level 0.618, and that is at around the $7.6866 mark, and that is the minimum that we can expect this wave 5 to the upside to do. And once this 5-wave structure plays out, then that should fully maximize this target area in the formation of that wave 5. And once that happens, then we can name this whole structure to the upside as an even larger Elliot wave count 1 to the upside, and continue expecting other possible scenarios. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and also on the long-term scenarios on the Apecoin chart, and also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported. Here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 56 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices in the formation of that wave 5. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices in the formation of that wave 5, and also fully supporting higher prices in the formation of this wave 3, which is a fractal wave within the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 5. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.